Want to adjust the navigation volume on Waze so you can clearly hear every direction? In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume on the Waze app step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Then, select Settings and tap Voice and Sound. Under Sound, make sure the sound is turned on and not muted. Next, adjust the guidance volume slider to increase or decrease the volume of Waze spoken directions. You can also adjust your phone's media volume using the physical volume buttons while Waze is speaking. If you're connected to your car through Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay, check your car's audio volume as well. If you still can hear Waze, make sure the correct audio output is selected and that your phone is not connected to another device. And that's how to adjust the volume on the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.